Alright everybody, welcome back to PDSN, your home for digital personal sovereignty tech, independence, and the open source future. Today we're talking about something big in the Linux world. GNOME 51 Alpha is officially out for public testing. This is the first look at what it will become. GNOME 51 later this year, and as usual, the GNOME team is pushing forward with their simple, clean, efficient design philosophy. But this release isn't just polish. There are real changes under the hood that matter for performance, workflow, and the long-term Linux evolution. GNOME 51 Alpha brings a mix of refinement, new features, and system-level improvements. Some highlights: a more responsive GNOME shell, updated GTK component, better multi-monitor behavior, improvement to notifications and quick settings, more consistent styling across the apps, I should say. Early groundwork for future accessibility upgrades. GNOME releases always look subtle on the surface, but the real magic is in the consistency they are building. A desktop that feels unified, something Linux has historically struggled with. I guess we shrugged with it too. What else could you do? Wayland continues to be the star of the show. GNOME 51 Alpha includes reduced input latency, smoother animation, better Windows resizing, improved fractional scaling, more stability, screen recording, and screen sharing. Wayland is the future. Whether people like it or not, GNOME is the desktop environment doing most of it. Make it actually unusable. Most make it actually unusable. This matters for creators, gamers, and anyone who wants to modern desktop experience without legacy baggage of X11. GNOME's design team continues refining the less is more approach. Expect cleaner spacing, more reliable typographically, better touchpad gestures, more intuitive quick settings, subtle animation tweaks, improved app grid behavior. GNOME doesn't chase flashy IU changes, they chase coherence. And honestly, that's why GNOME feels more stable and predictive than most Linux desktops. GNOME's philosophy is controversial but consistent. They believe the desktop should be simple, users shouldn't be overwhelmed with options, apps should follow strict design guidelines, and systems should feel unified, not chaotic. Minimalism leads to clarity. Some people hate this, some people love it, but it can't deny GNOME has a vision, and they stick to it. Here's the sovereignty angle, the part mainstream tech channels always miss. GNOME is one of the few desktop environments that is fully open source, has no cooperation locked in, doesn't rely on proprietary cloud services, doesn't track you, doesn't push ads, doesn't push subscriptions, doesn't push for AI assistance into your workflow. GNOME is a reminder that your computer can still be yours. No telemetry, no forced accounts, no ecosystem lock-ins, no AI powered by everything. Just a clean, functional desktop that respects your anonymity. I'm sorry, I am having an issue reading because these glasses in this weather we're having, they just steam right up. If you're on Fedora, Rawhide, Arch, or any other rolling distribution, you can test GNOME 51 Alpha today, but remember, it's alpha software. Expect bugs, expect crashes, expect incomplete features. If you're running a production machine, especially if you're editing, streaming, or doing YouTube work, maybe wait for the beta or final release. If you're curious, if you love Linux, if you want to see the future early, GNOME 51 Alpha is absolutely worth the spin. GNOME 51 Alpha isn't a flashy release, but it is a meaningful one. It continues GNOME's slow and steady march toward a modern, unified, open-source desktop environment. And the world where tech giants are pushing AI everything, subscriptions of everything, cloud of everything, GNOME stands out as a reminder that computing can still be simple, local, and sovereign. Let me know what you think. Is GNOME leading in the right direction? Or do you prefer KDE's everything customizable approach? That's my ramble on this one today. Like, follow, and subscribe. We've got more. Turn on notifications to find it.